Unlocking the meaning of grow tray in English. Hello, dear friends and English language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of gardening vocabulary, specifically the term grow tray. Whether you're a green thumb, a language learner, or just curious about English phrases, you've come to the right place. Let's cultivate our understanding and watch our knowledge grow as we explore this concept together. A grow tray is quite literal in its meaning. It's a flat tray typically used for growing plants. Usually, these trays are utilized in indoor gardening, hydroponics, or starting seedlings before they are transferred to a larger space. The key features of a grow tray include its flat design, which makes it convenient for placing multiple plants or seeds, and the materials it's made from, often plastic or metal, which are suitable for holding soil or a growing medium. Now, let's see how grow tray can be incorporated into everyday English. For example, I just bought a new grow tray to start my herb garden indoors. Make sure to evenly distribute the seeds in the grow tray. Her grow tray is filled with the most beautiful succulents. Noticing a pattern? The phrase is typically used in the context of gardening or raising plants, emphasizing the action, grow, as the primary purpose of the tray. While grow tray is specific, there are related terms that are good to know. Seedling tray, or propagation tray, used specifically for germinating seeds. Hydroponic tray, designed for use in hydroponic systems, where plants grow in water with nutrients. Plant tray, a more general term that can refer to any flat surface on which plants are placed. And that's a wrap on grow trays. I hope this video has not only broadened your vocabulary but also sparked an interest in the growth of both your language skills and perhaps your own plants. Keep nurturing your English, and soon enough, you'll reap the rewards of your efforts. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.